So to fix this problem, first of all, you have to head straight to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. Just scroll, and when you find your phone settings, just tap on it. When you tap on it, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notifications. So just scroll and try to search for your apps and notification. When you find it, just tap on it to open it. After that, just wait as it's loading, and after loading, tap on see your apps. So after that, you have to wait for it to load, and after loading, you're going to see all your app listed alphabetically. So what you have to do is to tap on this search bar over here to search for X. And when you search for X, what you have to do is to scroll, then you tap on X, and you're going to be in the app info of X. So to fix the problem, tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is still good on. When it's off like this, turn it on, then make sure everything is on over here, because notifications are very important. Tap on the permissions when you go back, then after that try to allow every permission over here. Sometimes it's necessary to do so. Tap on the storage and cache and tap on the clear card to clear the cache, then you go back, then you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on or is turned on your device. Now go back and tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store, then after that you try to search in for X. So when you're searching for X, just tap on it when it appears like this, then after that just try to update your X account. So to update it, just tap on this update over here, tap over here, and after tapping on it, you're going to get the latest version of X. So after that, try to restart or reboot your device. So tap on restart, then tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.